If you are a Christian, want to share the gospel to Chinese speakers, there is one sentence you need to know from the very beginning. I believe in Jesus. It's short, powerful, and full of meaning. And today, I'll teach you exactly how to say it in Mandarin. Before we get started, let's quickly review what we learned in episode 1. Do you still remember how to say God loves you? 上帝爱你. If you are not sure or forgot a little bit, that's okay. You can always go back and watch the first episode. And I also want to thank you so much for your kind and encouraging comments. They really inspire me to keep creating more episodes in this series. A special shout out to Brandon. I was so happy to learn that the Chinese character love, I, is actually not only written but pronounced the same way in Japanese, and the meaning is the same. Some Chinese characters are borrowed to Japanese, but it's pretty rare for the Chinese character used in Japanese keep the same pronunciation and the same meaning. So thank you so much for your sharing with us, Brandon. Now let's learn a new and super important phrase. I believe in Jesus. 我信耶稣. Let's break it down word by word. The first one, 我 is I. Notice here it's a dip going down and up, so it's the third tone. So follow me. 我. If you pronounce really fast, keep to your lowest tone. 我. And next one is 信, believe. 信. Notice here, the mark is going down, so it's the fourth tone, sharp falling tone. So let's try it with me. 信. And now let's learn Jesus. 耶稣. Notice here, the mark above the vowels is a little bit different. This is a flat mark, which is the first tone in Chinese. So we'll use the highest pitch, like do, re, mi, fa, high pitch, and flat. 耶, fa, 耶, 耶稣. And just a quick note, the name Yēsū is actually comes from Biblical Greek, Yēsūs, and later transliterated into Chinese as Yēsū. You see, it sounds pretty similar to Yēsūs. Yēsū. So when we say Yēsū, we're actually connecting all the way back to the New Testament. Now let's say it together. Yēsū. Remember, keep it high pitch and flat, like fa, Yēsū. Now let's connect what we've learned so far. From episode 1, we learned 你 and I, love. In this episode, we learned 我信耶稣, I believe in Jesus. So how do you say I love Jesus? Yes, that is 我爱耶稣. How do you say I love you? That is 我爱你. Follow me. 我爱你. This is a pretty common and useful phrase in daily life, especially for people who have a Chinese girlfriend or boyfriend. This is pretty useful. 我爱你, I love you. And finally, how to say you believe in Jesus? That is 你信耶稣. 你信耶稣. Now it's your turn. I want you to pause now and set up your phone setting or computer setting at Chinese keyboard. Here I'm showing you how to set it up on your Mac computer. I only have Mac computer, but if you have iPhone or iPad, it's the same thing. For Windows, I believe it should be the same thing, but let me know if you have troubles in setting up the keyboard. Make sure you select Simplified Chinese and select Pinyin. And try writing one of these phrases in the comments. 我信耶稣, I believe in Jesus. Or 你信耶稣, you believe in Jesus. In this way, it will help you to memorize this phrase deeper and also help you to choose from all the Chinese characters so you have a better memory of what this character looks like. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your friend who is also learning Christian Mandarin. In the next episode, we'll learn how to say I'm a Christian. See you next time. 愿神赐福你. May God bless you.